First off, apologies for not having uploaded tons of videos. This here is an example of me uploading a 4-minute video in Kenya. It was just 700 MBs, but it was showing me a wait time of, well, more than an hour. For context, this is my internet speed back in Bangkok, and I pay equivalent of 1,100 baht, which is about 3,700 Kenya shillings. Back to the video. After arriving in Nairobi with my family, I drove to Mai Mahiu the next day to check on my farm, which I am actually in the process of disposing. So if you're interested, please do hit me up. A lot has changed in the 1 year that I've been away from Kenya. The much touted Nairobi Expressway is now functional. Too expensive in my opinion. It saves a lot in terms of time, but it's still too expensive. End of the day, quite the way to end my day. So the car has gotten stuck. Unfortunately, I think there was a problem with the pistons. It was producing a very thick bluish smoke at first, then it started producing white smoke. Yeah, I'm gonna put on like short clips of what I saw. Luckily, the car's broken down in a good part of Nairobi, so I don't really have to worry so much about security. But this is scary. Right now I'm waiting for the tow truck to come. Yeah, flatbed. I can't drive the car anymore. I've just sent off my family to the house in a taxi. Then I have to stay with this car and wait for the guys to come. Life. After my family went back to Thailand, I joined my good friend job and we traveled to Migori County, which is about 6 hours drive from Nairobi. He was going for a burial and I for the adventure. I've never been to that part of the country before. At the home where the burial was taking place, Job got mobbed by the local youth for handouts. Well, he works in Nairobi, so youth he grew up with consider him to be a well-to-do young man. One thing I didn't like at the burial, though, was how some politicians started campaigning during the ceremony at the pretext of condoling the family. After the burial, food was served and plenty. While still in Migori, we also drove down into Tanzania from the Migori side. So the border from Migori town to the border was about roughly 25-30 minutes. Not so far. There were no immigration officers on either side, just policemen, Kenyan policemen on the Kenyan side and Tanzanian policemen on the other side. They were not asking for any documentation. They were not asking for IDs, just like having you open the car, taking a peek in, then flagging us on. It was, I can say the border was pretty much open, the same way you'd walk in from your living room to the kitchen for a snack. It was that open. I didn't make any videos because I'm a firm believer of enjoying the moment as compared to recording everything and anything for social media. Because at times I just want to relax with my friends, chat, talk about life, not like necessarily, sticking my camera in front of their faces and asking them, so what do you think about this place? And I don't do that. A couple of my friends and I headed off to Kitengela to visit one of our mates whom we'd met in Thailand. Kitengela is famed for its variety of roast meat, which we had before we headed off to the Fred's Ranch, which is located on the outskirts of Kitengela. We arrived at Fred's Ranch and found a group of people dancing, and we joined in, not knowing that at that time that they were celebrating someone's birthday. But what do you do when you find a group of people dancing? You join in, because this is Kenya.
She asked me, baby, where you from? I told her, Kenya.
This was my second time coming to Fred's Ranch, my first time having been last year at around the same time. This time round, I'd even wanted to do a vlog, which actually started, then again it got passed by events. But nonetheless, here's the intro of the vlog that I had wanted to do, but it ended up not making the cut. Hey there, welcome back. This is Brian of Bryans Musings. So today I came to hang out with some of my friends, and we decided to come to this place called Fred's Ranch. It's in Kitengela, and so let me just show you around this place. I have been here once before last year, but I didn't make any vlogs. So, and today we came back again, and I decided, why not, let me show this place. Now let me try and make a vlog about this place. So I hope I'm gonna try and make it interesting. I wasn't really prepared to make any vlog, but hey, I have my camera here, so let's check it out. So this place has a lot of gazebos which have been named, they've been given various names, various Kenyan provinces names, and oh, here are my friends. Over here is the African queen called Mombi.
Subscribe to Brian.
They have already.
Hi.
And over there, that's
Bella.
Just Bella.
Yes.
Nothing else.
That's Bella.
All right. And over here we have the queen of craziness.
Oh my goodness. Yes, it's me.
And I will not edit. I will just post it as it is.
Following instructions.
I traveled on the SGR train to Taveta. That was my first time traveling to Taveta by myself. I enjoyed watching animals in their natural habitat, from giraffes to zebras and all that. From the train to the car to using a motorbike. Well, that's how we roll in Taveta. Hey. I came from Nairobi this morning, and I'll spend one night here, then go back to Nairobi, because I still have some businesses to do in Nairobi. Yeah, I'm slowly getting to the tail end of my trip to Kenya. Slowly. I have to go back home. Right,